The Eyes Opened by Yumeno Kyūsaku. I began a solitary creative life, cooking for myself in a remote mountain villa. I went to the post office to meet the director and arrange for a mailman named Chūbei to deliver my daily post. Learning that Chūbei's eyes were ulcerated with tarthoma, I sent a letter to my wife asking her to send disinfectant, eye drops, and black snow goggles. However, a blizzard struck and Chūbei stopped coming for several days, which I did not notice because I was absorbed in my work. In the dead of night, the hunter Kichibee and other villagers came to inform me of Chūbei's absence. Ignoring the villagers' warnings, I resolved to venture into the snowy mountain paths myself to search for Chūbei. Together with them, I discovered Chūbei's body lying among rocks, about half a mile ahead. Chūbei had frozen to death, clutching mail and newspapers to his chest, his face bearing a smile like that on a national treasure Buddha statue. I perceived this scene as a miracle, completely shattering my materialistic beliefs. I knelt in the snow, pressed my knees to the ground, joined my hands in prayer, and trembled with deep emotion.
The Eyes Opened is a masterpiece by Yumeno Kyūsaku that shakes the foundations of a materialistic worldview and probes the nobility of the human spirit. The protagonist isolates himself in an abandoned mountain villa, wholly absorbed in his creative work. At first, he scorns the mailman, Chūbei's earnest dedication, as that of an idiot or professional obsessive. Yet in a savage blizzard, Chūbei delivers letters and newspapers to his chest, only to freeze to death with a smile like that of a national treasure Buddha statue on his face. The protagonist perceives this moment as a great miracle in his psyche, prompting profound reflection on spiritual dignity, inner transformation, and the essence of humanity. Its vivid psychological portrait, enriched with fantastical elements, leaves a lasting impression, and it remains celebrated today as a forerunner of psychological mystery in modern Japanese literature.